so they can... Yes, this is what I'm talking about.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out the Axopar 37-foot enclosed cabin cruiser. It's like a center console with a cabin inside. It's going to look sexy, so let's jump on board and see how it looks. So we are on the side here, and there's plenty of space to just jump on board just on the side like this, but officially you can jump in via the back. So for the swim deck, you just hop along, and it's really with two gigantic, massive Mercury outboard engines, easy to service in the inboard. It gives you extra storage space like here. But do that, hold on to section. A little space for the flip down, outside, doors of view, and flexible here with lots of rails. You also get, because it is an outboard, lots of space for all of those cushions on the inside.
Have come into this beautiful deck here where you're all standing around. You can lift the buttons up, lift this up right here, and you're met with, voila, a sink, so that when you have caught your beautiful fish, you can gut them, clean them, and no less, cook them as well. And not only that, we can enjoy a nice cold beverage from the deep up. It's a very deep chiller. So that is impressive. And if you think it's a bit choppy on the waters, don't worry, because you've got something really sturdy to hold on to, and it feels like a really nice, soft, leather-esque material. Love that.
What's in the cabinets?
Storage. Everybody loves a bit of storage.
Now around the side, you keep on walking, and we are in an enclosed cabin cruiser. So there is a massive door. You can step in straight into the cockpit, and you're greeted with a massive console. Nice, beautiful steering wheel, nice turning. Very, very smooth controls on the throttle. Feels brand new. You also got a valve thruster here, and a joystick for your trim tabs. Now this is an enclosed cabin cruiser, so you got lots of space protecting you on the windshield. You can always run it with the doors open as well if you want to get more airflow. And generally, you got lots of space in this console. There's also two things I want to show you. Around the back, you got the passenger side entrance and the seating.
Look at this, the seating. You've got a beautiful wraparound. It's really nice and cozy, a nice wraparound seating area where you could quite comfortably put in like maybe 4 or 5 people. And not only that, but this table extends so that if you do want to have some dinner together that you've cooked, this is a nice place to sit down and eat your grub. Oh, look at that. You can even keep your drinks nice and sturdy in the cubby holders.
And store your magazines for your kiddies to read.
Amazing. Thank you.
And back to the cockpit with a push of a button, lifts up so you can enter into the cabin. So it's 37 feet, not just center console. It's actually got a cabin inside, which makes this boat not only fast, but spacious. So right there, you've got a big bed for you to just jump into, and lots of windows. Now these doors actually open up, so you can actually enter from the front and exit from the front as well. So that's pretty cool. And just press this button here. Look at that, it's like those Back to the Future cars. So you got lots of space from the bed, and you got the exit out from the side here. And you've also got a toilet. Right there, you got a little toilet right there with a little sink and a window and a mirror for you to wave yourself at. Gotta say, they've used up all of the space they could to get you so many features of this boat. So not only can you exit out the right side, but you can also exit out the left side. Just push of a button here. Boom.
What? And just like that, you can even walk around the wraparound. You can tuck yourself inside, or you can go to the bow and have a little chill area. I love this. Let's go. Oh, look at this beautiful bow. Look at this. You can, oh my God, this looks so appetizing. The fabric, it just feels gorgeous. There's enough space here for 2 people quite comfortably to have a little lie down and chill out. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is what I need on my boat. Thank you very much. I'll just be here. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This is just so gorgeous. You've got this beautiful sun. You've got so much space. You've got the sea. What more could a girl ask for except for a drink? So, where's my drink? Hello. Sail away.
So what do you guys think of this beautiful 37-foot enclosed cabin cruiser? I think it's perfect for little families just cruising along the canals.
Totally. I think the inside area is nice with lots of space, lots of seating, and the bow is a real good positive for me.
Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
Oh. This table extends so they can... Yes, this is what I'm talking about.
Nice.